When you're choosing your plants for your container garden, the most common plant that you're going to use will be annuals. Annuals are those plants that live for one growing season. So they're something that you might plant in the spring and it will live through the summer, but will die by the winter time. So when you're going to your nursery or garden center, if you're going to be planting a container, primarily you'll be using plants such as these that will live during the spring or the summer, and they'll provide a tremendous amount of color for your container garden. In addition to using annuals in your container gardens, you can also branch out and use lots of other different types of plants. These happen to be perennials, and it's perfectly okay to use these in your container garden. This is a beautiful columbine, which is a great addition to a container garden. Additionally, you could also use something like these cone flowers. It just depends on what your tastes are, what's available at the garden center, and what you want to see out of your container for the year. So don't be afraid to use perennials in addition to the annuals that you would choose for your container. In addition to using annuals and perennials in your container, you can also use trees and shrubs.